Welcome to this video about vulnerability management. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the vulnerability process, identify the features of good scanning tools, describe how to configure vulnerability scans. Our technical landscapes are intricate, including many elements such as servers, endpoints, network infrastructures, and more, all of which operate on large amounts of code and complex settings. Despite our best efforts to fortify these systems, weak points are unavoidable, with new ones regularly emerging. Organizations need to integrate vulnerability management into their cybersecurity strategy. Implementing a strategy for vulnerability management is vital, as it identifies, assesses, and mitigates these weak points. These programs spot security gaps and triage the most critical issues by performing routine vulnerability scans. The first step in the vulnerability management process is to define and categorize the potential scan targets. The targets include all the devices, applications, and systems that connect to or support your network. Correctly identifying these targets requires a comprehensive understanding of your digital environment. It's also vital to maintain a current inventory to ensure ongoing, effective scanning. Assets should be grouped based on their function, criticality, and the data they store or process, as this will directly influence the prioritization and frequency of scans conducted on them. Once scan targets have been identified and prioritized, the next crucial step in vulnerability management is to conduct regular scans. These scans should be automated and scheduled frequently to detect newly emerging vulnerabilities as quickly as possible. It is essential to use updated scanning tools with the latest vulnerability databases to identify the most recent threats. Additionally, running scans during off-peak hours can minimize network performance disruption and reduce productivity impacts. Regular scans provide continuous insights into the security state of the infrastructure and thus form the backbone of an effective vulnerability management program. The market offers various scanning tools, each with unique features and capabilities. It is important to select tools that have robust vulnerability assessment capabilities, and the features should align with the organization's specific needs. Features like seamless integration with existing systems, scalability, and regular updates from trusted sources are essential considerations. Additionally, these tools should provide clear, actionable reports that IT teams can use to address detected vulnerabilities promptly. Using a combination of open source and commercial tools can also be part of a robust security posture, providing a broader range of detection mechanisms and perspectives on potential vulnerabilities. Two notable scanners in the industry are Nessus and OpenVAS. Nessus is a widely used proprietary scanner known for its extensive plugin library and strong detection algorithms. It offers continuous updates and incorporates the latest vulnerabilities and features for regulatory compliance checks. OpenVAS, however, is a free open-source tool that provides a solid scanning solution for those who prefer a community-driven approach. While it may not feature as frequent updates as Nessus, OpenVAS maintains a comprehensive vulnerability testing framework with a good range of detection capabilities. Both scanners contribute valuable insights into network security posture and help organizations identify and resolve vulnerabilities effectively. Application vulnerability scanners are frequently integrated into the software development lifecycle to evaluate in-house developed software for prevalent security weaknesses. Application testing uses three techniques. Static Application Security Testing, SAST, inspects the source code without executing the program, guiding developers to vulnerabilities and often providing targeted advice to fix the vulnerability. Dynamic Application Security Testing, DAST, involves executing code during the evaluation, probing all the user-facing interfaces with varied inputs to find potential security issues. Interactive Application Security Testing, IAST, combines static and dynamic testing principles, examining the application's code in real time as testers interact with the live application. Many organizations have established protocols mandating that all applications pass these tests before being deployed into a production environment. Configuring vulnerability scans is a careful balance. Parameters must be set so that scans probe deep enough to uncover potential vulnerabilities without overloading systems or generating excessive false positives. Ideally, scans should be tailored into the characteristics of each target group, using plugins and tools to increase scan accuracy. It's also critical to update the scanning tools. Well-configured scans can distinguish between minor and significant security threats, allowing teams to prioritize remediation efforts effectively. In this video, you learn that The first step in the vulnerability management process is to define and categorize the potential scan targets. Conduct automated regular scans to detect emerging vulnerabilities as quickly as possible. It is essential to select tools with robust vulnerability assessment capabilities. Two notable scanners in the industry are Nessus and OpenVAS. Application testing uses three techniques: SAST, DAST, and IAST. Parameters must be set so that scans probe deep enough to uncover potential vulnerabilities.